A Wichita man receives nearly 3 years in prison after a shooting that stemmed from a road rage incident. Kaeden Murphy was sentenced in Sedgwick County Court this week for a shooting near 47th and Broadway last June. Police say Murphy drove a pickup truck and then shot multiple times at a man on a moped, seriously injuring him. License plate readers helped police find Murphy in the truck that he was driving. Murphy was convicted for aggravated battery and criminal possession of a weapon by a felon.
Kaeden Levi Murphy, 23, received a 34-month prison sentence for shooting a moped rider in the leg during a road rage incident in Wichita, Kansas. The altercation began when the moped rider attempted to report Murphy for reckless driving near a gas station. Surveillance footage and eyewitness accounts confirmed that Murphy opened fire after a heated exchange. The victim was struck twice in the right calf, with one of the bullets causing a fracture. Using license plate reader technology, police tracked down and arrested Murphy, who was already on parole for prior offenses. Murphy pleaded guilty to aggravated battery with a firearm and unlawful possession of a weapon by a convicted felon.
Why not attempted murder?